What going everybody? What going? Everything good? Thing 100? Just there easy back today, you know what I mean? Regular day for me this. Nothing me not do. Me just chill. Edit couple videos for Instagram, for YouTube. That's my life. I basically live for you people. Videos, that's all I try to do. Push out videos and content and the best of content and all that shit. If you get my laptop fixed, but you want to go on the road, but that's something that look too normal. As you can see, the sky is bare, right? Nothing. No cloud. So I'm not going to step outside and now. Yeah, as I said, my laptop mash up. I don't know what I'm to it. Maybe one on the way fix computers or something can tell me what I'm to it. Just give me a second, I'm gonna show you what. So the laptop I mash up for about a year now, and maybe I'm gonna try to fix it now. I was going to fix it, but I don't know the thing set there, man. Just think to get a new one, but when I say it pretty much fairly, it's still good. Still clean, still decent. My sister had it before me and then she give me. She never let use it for nothing strenuous shit. But me a video editing man, so you don't know say how the laptop I go get for work. So yeah. I don't know if it go come on. Okay. It come on. If you can see what it say. The hard drive detects error. Please consider to back up the hard drive. Press escape to continue. I don't know if I adjust that, but the screen just go black. The icon for the windows in the middle they disappear. I can see that the screen still kind of light up. So from the little message I want to read at the beginning, I figure say, oh, I need a hard drive and I want to get a graphics card too, and maybe a battery, and I'm good to go again. The laptop I did that edit one for my wife laptop that, and she have to work on her laptop, so we can't really. They on it 24/7. Anyone I know that know when we can fix my laptop and get it done the right way, or anyone I know can fix my laptop and deal with it for me the right way, then I'll greatly appreciate that. But maybe by the time I'm gonna see this, we just go fix it and done, so we can really put in the work. You see me? Also, I did want to make a YouTube video today for Sunday, but the energy I feel right. So it smell like foreigners. I also want to apologize for the background noise because I know I hear it. And as you can see, it's still on, but the screen black. It does it too, a long time I use it. Still on, but as it say, hard drive problems. Suppose we can play some ball later on too. But the same old match down shoes that we may have. But I'm going to try and make a YouTube video for Sunday from today. So we'll see how that goes. Make a easy back. All our meds. So we can come up with something. So we just finished make the video. Hopefully it turned out the way I want it to come out, and then we can put it out on Sunday. If not, we're gonna make a different video altogether. So after I edit it, I see how it look. And if it come out the way I want it to come out, we drop it on Sunday. That you are holy part with the interference with the noise in my background. So it kind of did kill my vibe for the video, you know. But I'm gonna edit it. I edit what I do. Look on it. Because more time you don't know how a video come out until after you're done editing. When you put it together, you put in what you put in. It's shot, you know. There's nothing else really to do. I'm gonna wash up some plates and then try to find something to eat. And later on, we'll play some ball. I might show you the ball game. Might. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, señor.
What yours do? Your hair look wet.
Because I just washed it.
Your eyes look extra brown.
This is why it is shiny. I look so cute in my camera.
You know, they say the camera adds 10 pounds and sometimes it makes it cuter. Well, but people understand the science behind washing plates, and I mean everything has a method. You always wash your cup them first. Wash your cup them first, then your plates, then your forks, spoons, or maybe utensils, then plates. Why you wash your cup them first? Because you don't want the grease off of your plate dropping in your cup. That's just not nice, man. People always ask me like, Kevin, where you get the ideas from? Sometimes them just come, you know what I mean? Sometimes it's inspiration based on life, but sometimes them just come. Like how me there, so I wash some plates now. You just get the idea like out of the blue. What I realized to myself too is that like a good percentage of the time when we come up with the ideas, me did a talk to myself. I don't know if that's good or bad. Play them don't wash. Also big up to everybody who subscribed to the vlog channel, you know what I mean? I appreciate the support. I always love when things are started, you know, from the grassroots, you know what I mean? And them fans they really straighten the foundation of the thing we have built. So big up on yourself. The vlog page reached like over 1,000 subscribers now. So it was a previous page and then we converted to a blog page. So anyways, big up on yourself, you subscribe, you see me? 1,000 subscribers. I'm soon gonna comment down when I make a look at talk. Then big up on yourself, man. Me soon. I'm gonna try to reply to as much people as I possibly can, or whenever I get the time, you know what I mean? And when I get the time to sit down and really like reply to them and make them know say man I appreciate the support, but then we see it. I know say yo, me appreciate it. I want to vlog on a daily basis, but after a while it can just get monotone and be the same thing. So I don't want it to be the same thing. So wanna just comment below and let me know like some of the things that I want to see me do on the channel. For example, like challenges and things like that. Them feel like I'm gonna incorporate them there into the vlogs. So again I have something to look forward to. So just come on. Just comment some of the things that I want to see me do below. Huh? Follow me on Instagram too. And I might get some road vlogs, like when I go up on the road. But for telling you the truth, the camera heavy, bulky, like it's too obvious, you know what I mean? And it just draw unnecessary attention to me. I mean, some man, I really like attention like that. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna try to get a smaller vlog camera. Listen, I want to buy one for me, but you know, some niggas don't really want to pay for it. I don't know what the thing is. As you can see, the sunlight is about to go and my camera is not very good in low light situations, so the next time you see me, I will be on the basketball court. I even figure out by now the day when I see the vlog are the things will happen the day before. You know, so until me say otherwise, I say it like a roll. Hit the like button, hit the share button, check out all of the links in the description. Just give me the beat back. I know I'm showing the sunset about 100 times, but this shit is just majestic, man. So I know I'm telling you the next time when I go see me, I go dip on the basketball court. Apparently them I use the court for some type of function, so the ball never play and I come back on my yard. Real quick to note, whenever you're going somewhere, you see people always make sure you try to find out what is going on before you get ready and reach where you're supposed to reach. Because when you reach there, it might so happen that what you went there to do cannot be done. So with that said, I'm gonna edit the vlog now. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the links in the description. Hi guys.
Today I'm gonna show you how to do your makeup.
But at the end of the vlog, this I'm gonna show you.
Alright, fine. I know you guys don't see me a lot in the videos, but I don't really like the camera as much as Kevin. But I just want to tell you that you need to like, share, and hit the subscribe button.
Damn, hit him with a little more enthusiasm, like hit
like, share, and hit the subscribe button.